Everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Wash. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Wash itself. Now the Nexus Wash is a toy cleaning spray and it comes in 150 milliliters, so a little goes a long way. It helps to clean your toys quickly and properly. This toy cleaner kills 99.9% of all bacteria. To use, simply remove the cap like so, and using the pump just here, spray as many times as needed onto your toy, and once you're done, simply pop the cap back on and it's ready to go again till next time. Using a toy cleaning spray is really hygienic and it contains mild ingredients which do not affect the material of your toy as well. And that is the Nexus Wash. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.